In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design and customize a page on Shopify to match your brand and improve your store's appearance. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your email or Google account. Once you're logged in, click Online Store from the left sidebar. Next, click Themes and then select Customize on your active theme. Inside the theme editor, use the page selector at the top to choose the page you want to design, such as an About Us, Contact, or Custom page. Now start customizing the page by adding sections like banners, images, text blocks, videos, featured products, or buttons. Click on any section to edit its content, colors, fonts, spacing, and layout to match your brand style. You can also click Add Section to include new content blocks and create a more engaging page design. As you make changes, use the preview feature to see how the page looks on desktop and mobile devices. Once you're happy with the design, click Save in the top right corner. And that's it. You've successfully designed a page on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.